ballyhoo.
Yeah.
Got me a big old shark on. I ain't got no leader, so he's probably gonna get me. Oh, Team Panther, get the fuck out, son. Little guy. Good job. Nice little guy. Oh, get that paint off your eye there, buddy. Nice little guy. First one in the morning, finally. Had to work for them. They should start moving soon. He pricked me good. I'll be alright. Today's been quite a day. We barely have any bait. Maybe like 6 pilchards, 6 pinfish, give or take a couple. But the wind was really bad this morning. It's still really bad. We got what we could for bait, and you can always try to cast net some more pinfish. We are way far away from where I even want to be. Another little guy. There's a lot of these. A lot of these running around. Little rats. They're huge. Got off. Let's see if I'll hit it again. I think it might have just been a good snapper. Yep. Damn, got off again. Oh my gosh, he's freaking huge. That ain't no snapper. That ain't no snapper. It's gotta be a big redfish. Freaking keeps dropping it. Oh, that's what I think they can swim out here. No, you cannot do that. You gotta have. Damn, man. Whatever it is has some freaking weight to him. Got his ass. Little redfish. You weren't what's been hitting though. There's a freaking monster in there that's just plowing. Nice, another nice little redfish. There he goes. There's a red that is in there, and he is just plowing my bait. There he goes. Oh, there he is. Shark on. Let's hope we can keep him from breaking us off. He's going around the corner. I got something over here messing with my pinfish too. I'm pretty sure it's a black tip because he made a jump. It's a nice one, I know that. And 4500 with the star rod, the stellar light. We're taking down sharks. I hope the GoPro doesn't die. No, get out of my other line. There you go. Star rod put in work. This is a nice shark. He's probably a good 3-4 footer. Nice. Oh, he's giving me all kinds. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Wait until you guys see this one. Oh, he's testing me. He's testing me. That one. That's a nice one. See if I can get him to swim up next to the boat. That's how big he is. Good 3.5 foot probably. All right, come here, buddy. Let me get my pliers. I'll get you cut off. You can take off. Easy, 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 easy. There you go. And he's off. Nice. I was like getting hits on my pinfish, and then that went off. Started screaming. He took me, he was almost around the corner, and I muscled him. A little rat. He's feisty. He slammed it. He has got a super blue tag. It's crazy. Hey, dog. How blue his tail is. It's crazy. Finish out the tide. The tide's like 2 o'clock, I think. So, have a couple more hours and fish this spot. Fish this spot over here. Around the corner. And I'm gonna book it home. The ride home is gonna be fun. As you can hear, the wind is, almost fell. The wind is pretty bad, so we'll see how that goes on the way home. Right now, catching me some dinner. Keeper. He might not be a keeper. We'll see. Nope. Dang. I think I set the hook a little too hard on it. Kind of pushing it up in there, kind of hide the hook a little bit. It's working pretty well. Oh, that's way too far out. We are flipping for mangrove snapper. We're bass fishing for mangrove snapper. These motherfuckers are certainly fat. He's at about 9. Yeah. Yeah, there's just a little guy.